crisp and sweet. Tala takes a bite, yummy treat. B is for banana, long and yellow. It's good for you, my little fellow. C is for carrot, crunchy and bright. They nibble together, left and right. B is for donut, round and fun, with chocolate glaze for everyone. E is for egg, in a little pan. Breakfast time for Tala and Jan. F is for fish, swimming in the sea. It's good for you, healthy as can be. G is for grape, juicy and cool. A tiny snack they bring to school. H is for honey, sticky and gold, just like Tala. That's what we're told. I is for ice cream, cold and light. They lick it quickly, what a delight. J is for juice, sweet and nice. It's good for you, full of vitamins and spice. K is for kiwi, fuzzy outside, green inside. Take a bite with pride. L is for lemon, sour and bright. Jan makes a face, oh what a sight. M is for mandarin, so sweet and bright. I'm crazy for it, what a delight. M is for noodles, long and thin. Slurp, 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 let the fun begin. O is for orange, juicy and round. They peel it slowly, no drop on the ground. P is for peach, soft like a hug. Tala eats it with a happy shrug. Q is for quinoa, tiny and light. A healthy bowl they eat each night. R is for rice, fluffy and white. Dinner time feels just right. S is for strawberry, red and bright. Sweet little bites of pure delight. T is for tomato, fresh and wide. Tala and Jan love it, enough said. U is for udon, thick and wide. Jan twirls the noodles side to side. V is for vanilla, smooth and cool. In cakes and cookies, it's the rule. W is for watermelon, juicy and sweet. Big green outside, red inside to eat.
X is for shigua, a melon too. A tasty fruit from China, fresh and new.
Y is for yogurt, creamy and light. Perfect for breakfast, day or night.
Z is for zucchini, cooked just right.
A veggie meal for a healthy